Here we have a 2022 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock. Comes with a 5.7 liter V8 engine, automatic transmission in a stunning granite crystal metallic color. Let's take a look inside. Went inside, I have a nice armrest, parallax sunroofs and mirrors, black and gray colored leather upholstery, running boards, power driver and lumbar support. Top on inside, air vent on the left. Got your fog lights, auto headlights, digital gauge cluster dimming controls. You got buttons on the left here to control what we're seeing in our digital gauge, as well as your Bluetooth control buttons. Rain wiper functions, cruise control functions, digital gauge. Let's give that a little run through. You got your digital speedometer, vehicle info, tire pressures, transmission temp, oil life, gauge summary, engine hours, fuel economy, trip information, trailer tow, your brake, whatever audio you have playing, stored messages, so any warnings, so you got low fuel in here, screen setup, and our digital speedometer again. Coming to the infotainment, air vents on either side, source list, you got AM, FM, Sirius XM, as well as Bluetooth, 2 USB inputs and 1 auxiliary input. Dual zone electronic climate control functions, as well as heated seats for the driver and the passenger, and a heated steering wheel, mirror dimmer, backup camera, as well as copy our settings from the screen. You can adjust your language, display, voice, clock, camera, and your safety and driving assistance, which is just your rear park sense and your hill start assist. Also your mirrors, wipers, lights, doors, locks, seats, comfort, trailer, all that kind of fun stuff. Also have navigation, full nav available. Moving on down, screen off button, hazard lights, volume and tuner rocker, your dual zone, climate control functions, your fan controls, front rear defrost, AC button, trailer brake, your traction control, tow and haul mode, that rear park sense, heated seats, and your heated steering wheel. Transmission shifter, you got your 2-wheel drive, 4 low, 4 high, and neutral. 115 volt AC input over there. Got 2 cup holders and big storage space in there as well. Center console that flips up. You got 2 USBs and an auxiliary as well. Open that up one more time. You got tons of storage. Got your interior lighting, garage door opener buttons, and the auto dimming rearview mirror. Let's go take a look outside. The front here got our halogen headlights, matte black finish grille, Ram badge, 2 front tow hooks. You got black alloy rims on Goodyear tires, your Hemi 5.7 liter Ram 1500 Classic badges, running boards, black mirrors, paint matching door handles with the keyless entry feature for the front, rear tinted windows, Ram taillights, rear parking sensors, dual exhaust, trailer tow package, and your 4x4 badge. Opening up the trunk, got a spray on box liner in there as well. Let's go take a look at the back seats. Coming to the back seats, got a nice armrest, power windows, all weather mats, tons of legroom and headroom, that same leather upholsteries we have in the front, that same two-tone gray and black. Rear air vents, 12 volt input. You can also fold this down, get 2 cup holders and an armrest. That'll wrap it up for this 2022 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock with the Hemi 5.7 liter V8. If you have any questions or want to book test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.